Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Ankit, a SolidWorks designer, and in this today's tutorial, we will learn how to model unique modern chair using SolidWorks. So let's jump to the screen.
So this is SolidWorks default screen. Just click on the right plane, and you can also click here to sketch on this plane, and also you can click in this sketch option. So click sketch, and then click on this line and draw a line, straight line. Give them dimension 550 mm and draw this arc, 3-point arc, and give this dimension to 150 mm and give radius to this arc 75 mm and make this vertical, and then again draw a line and give this dimension to 650 mm and give the degree to this line 6 degree. So this is completed, and then extrude boss base with the thin feature of one direction. So here we will do 20 mm, and this direction we'll do this 600 mm. We will flip it and then click OK. So this is made, and then we will make plane. Select this surface and give dimension to 10 mm and flip offset, and then click OK, and then select this sketch plane from here, and you can also sketch by clicking this button, and also you can select this plane from here, and then you can start sketch by clicking select plane and then sketch. Flip to normal using Ctrl+4, and then we will sketch on this plane. So first we will make arc from here to here, and this arc length is 200 mm, and the radius is 110, and make tangent from this line, and then we will draw a line also. Give this line dimension to 600 mm. Delete this dimension. So we have two different dimension options. One is this, and the second, when you drag up the mouse, you can get this dimension. So give this dimension to 600, and give this arc dimension to this line 15 mm, and this line to this line 12 degrees. Okay, and then we will make this arc. We will select this arc and for construction and click OK. And then we will again draw this 3-point arc and select from here to this point and make this tangent, and then again select the same 3-point arc and select here to this point and make tangent, and also convert this entity. Select this entity and click on convert entity. Again we'll do the same option, features, extrude boss base, and this dimension will be 600 mm, and this thin feature will be 20 mm, and also we will flip the direction and then click OK. So we will hide this plane by clicking here, or you can also click here, click on this plane and there left click, and then you can hide from this eye option. And also don't forget to save your file. So Ctrl plus S, we will save this file as a chair, name chair, and click on save. So I save my file. And then, oh, as you can see here, this is high. So you can see this is showing extra. So, and here we are move this face extra. So we have to delete this plane, but if we delete, error will show. Suppose I will delete this, the whole part will be deleted. So Ctrl plus Z, and then what we will do, we will edit this plane by edit feature, and sorry, edit this plane, and here we will put 10 mm dimension. We will put this 0 and click OK. So as you can see now this is, and but this body and this body merge. So what we will do, we will add this extrude thin feature and click uncheck this merge result option and then click OK. So this both bodies now separated, one is this and the second one is this. So almost our chair is ready. Now we have to make sofa for this chair. So again we will put this plane 10 mm and then flip offset, click OK. We will hide this plane and sketch on this plane. Remove this sketch and again draw a line, make rectangular like this, and give this dimension to 550 mm and give this dimension from here to 15 mm and this dimension to 95 mm. And we will put this as a 2 degree, and we will add some fillets. Here we will do 30 mm, click OK, and these three, sorry, we will delete this, 15 mm, then click OK, and then these two will be 30 mm, and click OK. This we will do 500 mm, oh, 5000, 525. Oh, this looks nice. And then the same process, feature X boss base, and up offset from the surface, and we'll offset from this surface to 10 mm, and uncheck this merge result option and click OK. And again for the same process, we will do sketch on this plane and normal to this plane,